anything about fall?
Oh, it's pumpkin treats.
Well, you're in for a treat today.
Guess what we're making? What?
Pumpkin oatmeal delights. And they're healthy too. And you know what?
What?
They're kid approved. They're that good.
Whoa! I hope it's good.
And yummy.
Yeah.
So let's get started.
You're going to need cooking spray, Truvia, instant oatmeal, pumpkin puree, vanilla, and chocolate chips.
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Now pull 2.5 cups of oatmeal,
A half a cup of chocolate chips.
a half a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of pumpkin puree,
1/4 a cup of Truvia. Stir until you form a dough.
Now roll the dough to a ball. Place about 10 to a pan. Put your cookies in the oven for 10 minutes. Let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes.
So what do we do at the end of the video?
You like, subscribe, and comment below
And what do we comment on?
on what your favorite thing to do in fall is.
Thanks for watching!
That's hot!